Hi guys, Phil Morgan here, and I want to talk to you today very quickly about a product called TubeSiphon. Brilliant new product out to really get you on your way to making money online, and I'm going to go through it. I think this is one of the best products I've ever seen. Before we go through this, I want to hope everyone's okay with all this trouble that's going on with the coronavirus. I live in Spain. I think we're the third worst affected countries that I've seen, and we're on lockdown. We can't leave the house. We actually can be fined if we leave the house. If we go shopping, it's one at a time. What I think this will do in everywhere is going to change people's perception of work, because in Spain particularly that I know of, people are losing jobs, hotels are closed, they've got no money coming in, people have lost jobs. It's going to be damn hard to go and get jobs again. And Spain has a population of about 37 million. Only 4% of people work from home, whereas in England, America, other places, it's a much higher percentage. I think also people will start looking at other ways of income. And this is a sort of product that can help you out on that. It can get you going. It is a superbly easy product to use, and it's guaranteed to make you money if you do what they tell you, by the way. They can't promise anything because they don't know what you're going to do, but it's a simple, easy product, brilliant idea, and it can really get you on your way. And also because you'll be able to produce ideas for other people, it can help other people. And this is what the industry is really all about. I make a living doing this, but I make a living by helping other people do the same thing, and it helps everybody. So let's have a quick look at what the product does. I'm going to go through this quickly because I know you can all read, and I don't want to lecture you and sit here and read to you when you can do this yourself. So we're going to scoot through this. Just accept the product is brilliant. I'm going to scoot through how they do it, show you a couple of examples, and then tell you where to click on and go and get it yourself or look at it yourself. The price is ludicrous. It's less than a dinner out for one person, I think, in those places. So let's have a quick look at the page that they do themselves. This is where you'd go to look at the product in bigger detail, and also click and buy the product so you can get it and try it out. You get a guarantee with the product. Doesn't work for you, you get your money back. Why do they do that easily? Because they know people won't want their money back. It's a cloud-based program, which means that it's hosted elsewhere. So if you don't like it, they just take you off the register and you have no more access to it. But you've got 30 days to try it out, and if it's not for you, you get your money back. Everything done these days on video. YouTube is enormous. What this does is it shows you how to use other people's videos to make money yourself. They show you how to do it in more detail, so I'm going to scoot through. But the benefits are very, very quickly. Let's do the benefits of what you get out of this first. Multiple passive income streams. It lets you make more than one site. You can make up sites that will sell products, and it shows you how to do it. You're leveraging other people's content. Let's just get me out of the way for a minute. You're leveraging other people's content and authority. So people see a video on your site, and it's a video of a name, the person they know. It gives you the authority to advise people. Really, really fast and quick system to set up. Once you've set a site up, it's done, and it's so simple to do. You bank the commissions. They get the commission, goes into your payment system straight away. Scale your income to never seen before. This is a bit of a hype line. It can do if you do the work. I think all these things should put this big thing on the bottom saying we can't promise this because we don't know what you'll do. Take action, it works. Whether you've got an hour a day to do it, 30 minutes a day, then it'll take you longer to start off. If you've got 6 hours and you're not working, perhaps put the time in to do something that will give you money. If you've got a particular passion about anything, you can sell products in any market. So if you love fishing, horse riding, cricket, tennis, I don't know, anything, there's products to sell for it. They show you how to do all this, and you can make this up in any niches. And if you've done one, then you can do another one, then you can do another one. It just goes on and on. No having to find the content. They're showing you how to get all the content. Here's your money back guarantee with it. This is some testimonials on it. I don't like this one because this bloke does not use it. He's a multi-millionaire and he's brilliant at what he does. But to say he sits there and uses it, I think is a little bit silly. Didn't need to do that. ridiculously easy to set up. I said you can go to the page yourself. You set it up quickly. It is quick to set up. Your experience is quicker if you're slow. I like to look things slowly. It's just the way I work. I tend to go through the training videos one by one, and then I go through them again, and then I start copying. It's just the way I work. I think it's a bit more thorough, and it gets you the grounding before you do it. It stops you making the mistake that you made on the first one, because I go through it 2 or 3 times. This shows you how to do it. They're telling you what you get with it, and once you've done it once, you can rinse and repeat. What it's saying is it's video. Everything is video, and it shows you how to capture videos and use them on a site that they're going to create for you. When you're going to create it, they're giving you the software to do it. It does make money. These guys know what they're doing. They'll make money quicker than you or I would, but the money is there to make with it. Building a list, this is very important. They're going to show you how to build a list of people who want your products, and then you can offer these people other products, and that will make you more income as you go along. This is just saying how much money is in the industry. This page you will go to, you can scoot through yourself. How do you do it? It's just, they all make videos. Everybody that's anybody does videos. So they all make videos, they all make lots of videos, and they put them on YouTube to share. This is where you make the money, by using those videos. It shows you what you don't need to do. You don't need to have any of your own content. You don't need to have the authority or the expertise or the experience, because the software does all this for you. The warning, it's an extremely lazy way of doing it. You have to do some work, come on. So don't believe it takes your time 5 minutes. It doesn't. It will take you more than that if you want to do this properly. And by doing it properly and a little tiny bit slow at the beginning, you're going to make money out of it. Content ID, if you are going to start your own business, or the thought of it, content is hard. This takes all that away from it, and it's doing it for you. And this says how hard it is to do it. It is difficult. You haven't got the money to make up these little videos. These are expensive videos, but there's 5 billion 5 billion reviews. If you had something to do with music and you put that on there, people will watch your site, and then you put down, click a link to the latest CD that they're doing. The one that's come out after this, and it was, oh great, I want that, listen to this, they want that CD, click on that, you get a bonus. That's the simplicity of it. And it's lose weight. You put some, you have a site up, they show how to do it, by the way, so it's complicated on diet stuff, and then you say, this is a product that will do this is a product that will do that, have a look at it. If people buy it, you get the commissions from it. But the sites look so cool. So this is the page to go and get more information. This is the proof of earnings that you get with it. This is the bits. It builds a list. It monetizes your sites, video included, traffic included. There's nothing they've left out. So go ahead and look at this page in a minute. What I want to do is just some more testimonials there. A bit more the same thing of telling you how easy it is to do it. And yes, it is easy to do it. You just copy what they do. The training is incredible. Let's just show you what it can do. I'm going to show you a couple of sites they've done with it as demos. Success with dropshipping. If you want to teach dropshipping, you don't need to know how to do it. Other people have videos showing people how to do it. And then if you do this, and then you put down, go to this link to set yours up, there's a commission for you there. There's a commission for you by putting a course at the bottom of this video. There's commissions off. You can make money off all of these videos. But look how posh this site looks. It looks incredible. And it's a few buttons. That's all it is to do it. And another advert for something else there. And another one they've done is a completely different site. This is on photography. You don't need to be an expert in photography. Liking it helps. But you don't need to be the expert, because all this content is got for you. Off of YouTube. All of it comes from that. And this, beginner photography mistakes, what to avoid. This is a video that they've used. And look at the camera. If someone's looking at this, they like photography, love the camera, you've got a button here, get the camera, you get a commission because you're selling that camera. And this is how the system works. Simple to set up, simple to make money off it. Let's have a quick through it. I'm going to show you now some of the things that they don't in the video. Because there's no time for it. There's extras you can get with it. This goes live on Sunday at 9 EST, at States time. So if you're in Europe, this is 2-3 in the afternoon. It's called TubeSiphon because it's siphoning things off of YouTube. There's a demo video where I could show you this. I've got a demo video, but theirs is better because they're quicker with it. They've used it before. They show you how to set it up in a few easy steps, but then you get full training with it. I'll show you the training program in a minute. This takes you over to their page to have a look at their page, and just try the product out. I mean, it's dirt cheap. I'm going to show you that in a second because I think it's shockingly cheap, and you get an immense amount of bonuses with it. On this page is the first page I'd go to. I've really laid out exactly what it does for you. You can read it, just accept that it's a good way of making money. It will help you an income. You can help other people make an income once you've set up or find things for their passion. If they set a fishing site up and people who love fishing, you're going to be offering them products that are good. So it helping them out as well. The bonuses I'm going to give with you are ludicrous because I think this product is so worth trying out for, and you get the guarantee with it anyway. People have now said, what's the cost going to be? I've highlighted what you're going to get with it, but let's come down. Look at this, $18, the whole lot. You're getting the videos, the training, the over-the-shoulder training, how to set the sites up, how to monetize them, where to get the traffic from. $18, come on. This is so cheap, and a guarantee that if it's no good for you, and it's not for everybody, nothing's for everybody, you get your money back within 30 days. So simple. Price goes up over the next few days, so get in early. And then there's some extras that you can get with it. So I put these down for you. They don't show you that on this page, on their page. Unlimited version. It's got two prices there, $67, $47. Well, I shouldn't show you this, but it comes up at $67. But if you don't press the yes button, it comes down to $47. And they've got so unlimited. This means you can create one site, two sites, 100 sites. You get some sites in the first bit. This increases the number you can get done for you sites. They'll even set them up for you for $67, so they're ready to go immediately. You have to do some little bits like put your links in them. It's not because when you it's that camera, it's linked to a code that would be, so they know that it's you that sold it, so they're called the affiliate links. You would have to put your affiliate links in, and they show you how to do that. Traffic, there's lots, they give you traffic methods to get into this. There's loads of ways on the internet of finding traffic to drive to the site. The difference with this one for $67 is it fits within the system. So it's another automated system they've developed that will fit in with this. It's another $67 if you do it. Remember, the first bit gives you what you need. The $18 gives you the program. It shows you everything to do. This just makes things quicker for you. The unlimited version gives you more choice later do it. So I would say grab it $47, because then you can make up loads of sites and loads of money. Simple as that. Additional done for you, as I said there, automatic traffic flow, conversion based tools, other ways of training that'll help with conversions, just little bits of wording here or there, bits of code going in, simple stuff, but it makes the conversions when people come to your site, more people will buy. Bonus page creator, that's another thing that they're putting in to give bonuses away with the products that you sell. So if someone buys a camera, you say have the camera and I'll give you some extra bonuses. And license rights means you can actually sell it yourself. So if you sold this product, you would get all of the money. This is the ludicrous bit of this, is $97. So if you sold this product to someone and they upgraded, did anything, you get all of the money with it. We don't, by the way, because we haven't got license rights to it. So I think it's a great thing. It's worth looking at all of these. These will come up once you buy it. So once you buy the main product for $18, they then say, thanks for doing this. Do you want to look at this? Thanks for doing that. Do you want to look at this? That's how it works. But I think the upgrades are really good with this. Quick reminder on what you get with the system. Now, bonuses. Come on, I've said I'll give you some bonuses, but this is ludicrous. Look at it. All of these products, these all individual products, make money. And we're doing this to tempt you to buy, to be perfectly honest. We know this product is good for you. I think there's 17 or 18 products we put on here for you. This is brilliant. This is superb. Another program that makes money. This makes money. This has made money on CPA. They're all money-making products to help you out. And they're all there for you for nothing. But more than that, I've given you an extra 30 on top of this. This is 48 bonuses for an $18 product. Come on. And so get them today, get them through that. I'm going to throw in an extra 30 bonuses. This is more money making products, training products, help products, YouTube stuff, ClickBank stuff. It's you're going to get an insane amount of products with this. This is the button that takes you over there to go and have a look at it. And I just don't see a reason for not doing this. I've shown you the pages you can create. You know how you can create these early with TubeSiphon. You can make money on it. They're showing you all of the training. Let's have a quick look at their training section as well. This is the site that you would go into, and I've put up the training session here. This is the training section here, and then this comes up, a welcome video, how to enable the search, how to do the searches, how to create the content collection, how to put the build out the shop. Your shop is your site. Complete your campaigns, connect to your autoresponder. This is so you can build your list. Design and create ads in 30 seconds. Upgrade bonus builder. This is on the upgrade section I've got. And it shows you how to do a bonus page, almost like the one I've just done. That's a bonus page, but they do it for you. I think this is a brilliant upgrade you can get with it, and it's so cool. Everything is here. Campaign builder. It just changes to and they show you what to do with all this, of how to build the site, how to do it. I think everybody in the world's on their computer today. This is going to be a bit slow to go through. It should be coming up in a second. But it's $18. $18 for teaching you how to go and make some money. This is what you'd come up with. This is some of the things they've done. Look at it. They've got stuff on here just to show you how to do it. Squeeze page URL. This shows you. Let's have a quick look at a website URL. If I can get into this one. Might not be able to at the moment. Let's have a quick look. It's a bit cheaty here. No, I'm not getting into it at the moment. This is their demo one they're still working on. Comes out tomorrow, and they're still just finishing on the bits off to it. But this is what you would call a squeeze page if it came up, and this is what allows you to collect. Oh, there it goes. It coming up. Yeah, they're creating this for you. Warning: this strategy about discover. This would be a product that you put up there. Free video. Put your email here. You've collected this email just from this one thing. This is so cool. You've collected the email, and then you show them a product that they're asking to see. They are asking to see this video that you've got that you haven't made. You're collecting their email, so you build a list with this. This is so simple. List building is so important. It comes up brilliant. Forgive the slowness of my computer, but that's just on one thing I've shown you how to collect emails. They put a few in here as tests that it's so that I can see what it is, but you don't want to go through all these 4 buttons. It could be because just accept it's there. I've shown you one working. Products, autoresponders to tie into all of the main autoresponders. If you haven't got an autoresponder, you need one. I use one called Get Response. It's $15 a month, I think, after a 2-week trial, worth every farthing of it, because that's your list is your income for the future. So what I would suggest you do is, let's go back here, get TubeSiphon, spend out your $18 on it. You've got no risk with this at all. You are going to get everything that you've seen on there for $18. You're going to get the bonuses that I've shown you already. You're going to be able to make money. You're going to be able to make money very, very quickly. If you don't make money with it and you don't want the product after you've tried it, you let them know, you send them an email, and you will get your money back. TubeSiphon will work if you do what they ask you to do. It's very simple to set up. So go over to this page. The link's underneath this on the video. It's PMJ Products / TubeSiphon. Go and have a look at it. This is the page you'll go to. Here's the demo where they show you how to do it. This is the button that takes you over to Glynn's page. Get the product. Use it. You don't get anything if you don't use it. You have to take action. But it will work if you want it to. It's as simple as that. So thanks for your time. I hope you'll take care and hope you look after yourselves while the virus problem is going on. And we hope that's all cured soon. So thank you for listening. And my email is at the bottom of this video where I say a little thank you on it. Email me if you've got any questions about this product, although I don't answer my emails immediately because I'm not selling this product, somebody else is. But if you've got questions about internet marketing generally, you want to drop me a line, I will get back to you. So thanks for listening. You have a great weekend, and I hope all is well for everybody. Take care.